Okay.
So do you enjoy reading for fun? Why or why not?
Mm, yes, I definitely love reading. Um, First of all, it helps us to uh, broaden mind. Moreover, uh, it sometimes gives me new knowledge. So I enjoy reading books.
Good. What is your favorite book? Tell me about it.
Um, yeah, it's difficult to choose, but my one of the best books I've ever read is Your Name, which was written by a Japanese famous author. It's a story about one Japanese boy and uh, uh, who lives a usual daily life in Japan, but uh, uh, and grows as a person. So I'm really into reading it
Why do you
and
like it?
because it combines Japanese culture and fantasy world,
I see.
and it uses some like uh, foreshadowing.
Okay, very nice. Good. Okay, so that was good. I liked some of the vocabulary you used. Foreshadowing, very nice. Um, maybe the idiom you could have used. You said broaden our minds, broaden our horizons,
Uh,
broaden,
so
broaden my horizon, broaden our horizon. So that's an
uh,
idiom. That means to,
uh,
yeah. So that's good. Maybe you could have done that. But otherwise, yeah, good. You didn't make you made you were 50% more correct with grammar than less. So that's good. Excellent. So well done. Okay, so some more questions. Um, do you like cooking? Why or why not?
no, to be honest, I'm not good at cooking, and I don't like it. Uh, it's probably because my mother is really good at cooking, so I depended on her uh, in terms of cooking. Uh, I live alone now, so I think I have to cook for myself.
Oh, I see. Okay. When was the last time you cooked something and what was it?
It was a week ago because uh, uh, I I wanted to uh, eat uh, raw fish, and it's difficult to eat out. So uh, I cooked it, but I think I thought uh, my the taste uh, was not so much as I expected.
Okay, good. You would say I prepared it. Um, because raw fish you don't cook, right?
Uh,
You eat
so
it
okay.
raw, so you prepare it. So you would clean it, you would remove the scales, you would yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well done. Who prepares most of the food in your home?
In my home now, I usually go to eat out. So I usually go to a restaurant or a store to get food. So no one, no one prepares food for me.
Right. At home, no one prepares my food. But when I'm at the restaurants, the chefs, the gourmet chefs, prepare my meals.
Definitely, definitely.
Right. Okay, nice. Who prepared most of the food in your home when you were a child?
Um, my mother cooked for us. She was so good at cooking that she sometimes gave uh, her dishes to neighborhood,
Ah, to
and
neighbors.
to neighbors. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. You could say to neighbors or to people in the neighborhood. So either or is
to
fine.
neighbors.
Okay, good. Um, so how do you feel you did?
So, uh, what do you mean? Like, how do you feel?
After you've answered those questions where you couldn't see them on the screen, right? The last
Uh,
set of questions I asked you about cooking, you didn't see them. You could only hear me asking them. And then you answered. How do you feel you did with that part? Do you think you did well? Do you think you How do you think you did?
um, Actually, compared with other sections
Hmm.
or topics, maybe I answered well.
I think so. I think you did well. It was good. Yeah. So just maybe you can, instead of saying cooking, you can say prepared. So my
Prepared.
mom prepared the food. My mom made the food. My mom made meals. My mom baked delicious cookies and cakes. So you take away cook or cooking to change it to baked if she baked things, grilled. She loved grilling things, food in the oven, meat in the oven. Um, yeah, and boiled vegetables or fried rice or different. You can use different expressions just to help you so that you don't always use cooking, cooked, cooked. Yeah. All right, but that was good. Excellent.
Okay.
Okay, so some vocabulary that you can use. The first one, through thick and thin.
Difficult them uh, when there are problems or
So,
difficulty. So even in a difficult situation, so
yes, through thick and thin. That's right.
difficulty.
Yeah. So John and I, we've been friends for through thick and thin for many years now.
Mm.
So there we go. Okay. The next one.
To be all or something. To be strongly that.
Yeah.
So it's necessary to do like I
Yeah.
think to be to be all for something.
Yeah. I'm all for hiking. I think hiking is really great outdoor experience, and it's a relatively free, or sorry, inexpensive
Mm.
activity. Hiking. All right. The next one.
By the skin of one's teeth,
Mm.
or just managing to do
Yeah.
something.
Okay, take a quick screenshot because we only got 10 seconds.
Okay.
But yeah, nice to see you again and enjoy the rest of your day.